Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is the Anthony Ray Show. In today's video, today is what doing. Today's video we actually is doing on a trip. And I'm gonna be bringing y'all with me and her. And here we got a bag, suitcase, the PlayStation down there. And her. So we are doing on the trip. We actually up at 5 a.m. and be on the train around 7:19. So I will bring y'all with me. So me put the camera up and on and off tomorrow. So yeah, it'll be fun like last time. I'll be that video link in the description if you want to check that video out. I think it was like July that we went on a trip and so yeah, I'll bring y'all with me. And yeah, so it's like 11:30 right now, and the day is the 18th, March is the 19th. So I will see y'all sometime tomorrow. Right. See y'all in a few minutes. Well, it'll be longer for me, shorter for y'all. I'll see y'all in a few minutes. Hello people, especially the next day, it's the 19th, and we have reached actually the train station and stuff. The train station was there. We have made it, and yeah, so here's the train, what there. Here's the train. That's not our train. Our train will be coming, I don't know. There are like so many times. There one notice says 7:10, another notice says 7:26, and another notice. It's just like so many notice. So yeah, it should be here soon. So yeah, I will bit the camera up when we get on the train and stuff for a few minutes. But yeah, I will be bitting the camera up on and off on the train ride. So yeah, see y'all in a bit. We have made it to Birmingham. Birmingham. Make it Birmingham. So we almost done with the train way. We be there about 7:47 or something like that. I'm a dog shit on this long train ride. I did my video too. I had it on up on the way down. One, two, baby, you want to be in the video? Mm-hmm. How about tomorrow? Mm-hmm. Oh, go, I will see. La 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 la. He gonna kill me behind this why the hell I've been butting her all day. I forgot when we did that. We about 10.
Yeah, I think we're gonna dress up. I know I am. I'm gonna come down here. We're gonna get here early.
Wow. Oh my lord. Oh, what a day. If only we Dr. Frank, that's what the definition. I bet y'all remember what this place is if you know this in my recent video, like my other video. So I can't y'all know what this place is. Because it was the shop that used to stay in my favorite place and stuff. But yeah, it was nice. They got it. It's like all new. My mom and them died right looking good and stuff. So yeah. Well, people, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. And I'll see y'all later. Oh, what a day. I'll see y'all in the next video. I am out of here.